guys, today I have here the S2 and I mean like it's an odd model to get. I don't know why, but let's get to the unboxing experience. Knives. And this time I keep prepared. Cool. I mean like this is nice. Oh, look at it. This is cool. I mean, like my facial expression doesn't say much, but then I'm actually really excited for this. Bloop. That's a weird sound effect to do. Anyhow. Ooh, look. I mean, like, look at this. This is interesting. Okay, let's check what's inside the box. Oh. Ooh. Some more user guide and also clear case. It's so nice to provide this, so you don't have to go out and buy one. But then again, I'll buy something fancy. Because clear case tends to get old and pretty much dirty and also quite yellow. So yeah. So inside is a charging brick. This one is it's a 5V2A as well. And also a micro USB cable. So it's pretty neat. Nothing inside. So yeah. Oh, there's a SIM injector too. Look! It's inside! That is cute, but how on earth am I gonna take it out? When you have big hands like mine? You mean like... You know what? I give up. That's it for the unboxing experience! Oh wait, I haven't done anything yet. One last thing to do. Where is the pull off tab? There's no pull tab? Why is there no pull tab? Why is there no pull tab? Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna peel this off. Oh, listen to this. Oh. Okay, that's it for this video. I know it's a bit weird, but well, it's me. So, bye guys. I'm trying to put this off nicely. Okay, great. Cool.